Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video guys, I will show you how you can buy Catgirl token in Trust Wallet by using Pancakeswap easily. Guys, the Cat token is very popular nowadays. Many people asking me how you can buy Catgirl token using Trust Wallet, so I make video for them. Guys, the official website of Catgirl token is states that it is also certified that the collectible NFTs on Catgirl marketplace, and they are designing the Catgirl workshop, and these Catgirls are used, means these Catgirl tokens are used for the upgradation of the any Catgirl NFTs or the character upgradations. Guys, in the last month Catgirl pumps almost 25% up, and it's a very big. When you see it's the trading volume, it has almost 40 million trading volume in the 24 last hours. Guys, it has abuse futures, so guys, be careful. Your investment, your risks, your profit. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you how you can do that, and according to me what is the best, I just tell you, and the final, you have to take your decisions. So let's start your video how you can buy your Catgirl coins by using Trust Wallet. For this, open your Trust Wallet here. If guys you do not have a Trust Wallet account, I have already make a video how you can create Trust Wallet account securely. Please go to my channel and watch that video for your buying of Catgirl coin. Guys, for this, when you open the Trust Wallet, open the D apps. Here is the button. Open D app button. Then click on the Pancakeswap.finance website. Here you can click. When the website is open, must sure you have connected with your smart chain BNB. Okay, do not connect with Ethereum. Guys, when you open the Pancakeswap.finance website, these options are appearing. Means here they earn, win, NFTs, or somehow other informations. You have to click on trade, and there here are appearing BNB, how much BNB you have, and there you can select which token you want to buy. I want to buy Catgirl. Here I will put Catgirl. Here is no Catgirl is appearing. So for this I have to copy contract address from their official website or coin market cap. So open coin market cap and then search here Catgirl. This will appear, and for contract address I will show you here. You see contract address is here. Copy that address, then move back to your Trust Wallet, then paste here for means select currency, select here or paste that address here. So you see Catgirls appearing. Import this, click on I understand, click import. So Catgirl tokens appears with how much BNB you want to buy. I want to buy 0.001 BNB, and you see a lot of tokens are appearing with this, and click on the swap button, confirm swap. Okay, the following transaction cannot succeed due to error. For if you are facing this issue, I have already make a video. Go to my channel and watch my popular video on my channel. This video will help you how you can find the solution of this error. So I am making this little changes for you. I entering here one. So confirm swap. A smart contract call will be executed when I click on the OK button. So here total network fees will be $2, maximum will be 2.59. So I do not have insufficient balance for this. This is the way how you can buy your Catgirl coin and swap easily. If you buy Catgirl coin, then go to your wallet and enter here on the top of the button. Here tokens are appears, then right here Catgirl here. You see Catgirl token will appear here. When Catgirl token appears, then click on here, then this will be shown in your wallet. Here you see, here your token will be appeared here. So thank you guys.